Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is our 58th session in this journey, and today we are going to start a new section of this complete tutorial where we are going to take a look at working with Microsoft Excel templates, both built-in templates that come with your copy of Microsoft Excel and the ability that Excel gives us to create our own custom templates. So first, before we get into those two scenarios, let's take a look at really what template is all about. So open in front of you, I have still got our example file, our monthly budget file. Imagine this, currently I have got 5 months in here. This can have a single month, this could have all 12 months within the year, whatever it is. Let's say it's got 12 months. I have created the spreadsheet for the entire year. Now the next year runs around 2022, 2023, 2024 and so on, and I want to be able to use the same setup. I don't want to have to recreate the entire thing from scratch every time I get a new year that rolls around, right? So instead of recreating, I could save this as a template and then reuse the structure. Imagine opening up a brand new Excel workbook and it's already has the basic structure. It's already got columns, headers like the months and the years. It's already got the bill values in there. It's already got all the formattings. The chart is already created. The only thing that it's missing is the data for the current year. So just to demonstrate here, I'm just going to select here from C5 till G9, and I'm going to hit my delete key. I'm just going to wipe out those numbers. Now this could be the start of a template. It's already got the basic structure done for me, right? Maybe I will modify a few things, like rather than having say 2021, I will put like year up there, just the word year, YEAR, and then users can replace that when they get into the document. My chart is empty. I still got my smart chart. I could wipe out the text inside of there and just say fill in with next year's objective or whatever you want to put in there, right? But this could easily be a template that I could then reuse every year. Formulas already created, formatting's already done. The heavy lifting is done. All the users has to do is fill in the amounts for each bill for each month. Done. Save as, saving under a new name, and you are good to go. So that's the idea for a template. Basic structure is complete for you. You just fill in the particulars for that month, that week, that year, whatever your data consists of. So let's take a look at two approaches. You can use built-in templates that Microsoft has already supplied for us. There are lots of them, and we'll take a look at creating our own custom templates as well based off our budget. So I'm going to hit Ctrl Z just to undo that. Can also use the button up here at the top of the screen to build on and get my numbers back, but we'll come back to this file here in a little bit. Let's take a look at using the built-in templates that Excel contains. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.